Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to start investing in stocks. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for some tips, this video is for you. Step 1. Educate yourself about the stock market before you start investing. It's important to educate yourself about the stock market. This can include reading books, watching videos, and attending seminars. It's also important to understand the different types of stocks, such as growth stocks and value stocks. Step 2. Determine your investment goals. What do you want to achieve with your investment in stocks? Are you looking to build wealth over the long term or generate short-term income? Your investment goals will help determine which stocks you should invest in and how much you should invest. Step 3. Open a brokerage account to buy and sell stocks. You'll need to open a brokerage account. There are many online brokers that offer a variety of services and tools to help you manage your investments. Be sure to compare fees and services before choosing a broker. Step 4. Create a diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, create a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks from different industries and sectors. This will help reduce your risk and increase your chances of success. Step 5. Start with small investments. Start with small investments and gradually increase the amount you invest over time. This will help you get comfortable with the stock market and allow you to learn from your experiences. Step 6. Monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your investments and make changes as needed. This may include selling stocks that are underperforming or buying more of a stock that is doing well. In conclusion, investing in stocks can be a great way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. By educating yourself, determining your investment goals, opening a brokerage account, creating a diversified portfolio, starting with small investments, and monitoring your investments, you'll be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching and good luck with your investments.